Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the graphic settings on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rogue Prince of Persia game on your device, and once you start playing your game, if at any point you wish to modify your graphics, then just pause the game by pressing the escape button or the start button on your joystick. You can then go into the options page, and now from here click on video at the top. This will now show you various different options, and you can choose your display mode, your resolution, and you may enable VSync if you notice any screen tears within the game. Even if you don't, it is a good idea to have this turned on. Then within the FPS limit, you may either choose the no limit option or you can choose the exact frame rate of your display device. After choosing the appropriate FPS, the other two options can be set based on your preference entirely. Once you are done, press the escape button, and when you are prompted to apply your changes, make sure to choose the apply option. Now this will apply your graphic preferences to your game right away, and you can change this at any point of time if you wish in the future by going back into the same options page and from video making your modified changes. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to adjust your graphic settings on the Rogue Prince of Persia game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.